What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be again on the Transit. We're going to get rid of these ugly yellow lights. Can't really see at night. I believe that one over there is burnt out. I'm going to replace them with lasfit. Like you guys know, I only use lasfit for all my clients' cars and my personal cars, because truly they're the best. They're really bright, and we're gonna swap them out. All right, so I started here already. For the Ford Transit has one here and two over there, and it's like these little cubes, you can see, and you see the light that's inside there. I have lasfit lights. These are the ones we're gonna be replacing and swapping them out. We're actually gonna do these, which are also the front ones right here, the cabin ones, and we're gonna be doing these, which are the back ones. And let's see how they turn out. So you'll first start off by using the pry tool right in the corner right here, and you'll pull it off by here more or less, and then the top, the white top part, it comes off. There you go. So that comes off and exposes the bulb, and then you swap it. All right, so once you put it on, it's already super bright, and that's just one. I'm missing those two over there, and then we'll swap it out, and then we'll do a video at night to show you how it looks at night. Once again, the rears are the same as those. It's a little pod. Oh look, there's a dead fly in there. Poor guy got fried. So you take out this white cover, and then you replace the bulb. Just take a look at the construction of it. It's really, really nice. Imagine those 7 LEDs are that strong. Can't wait to see it at night, how bright it is at night, because I'm sure it makes a big difference at night. Well then, yeah, so you swap them, make sure you face them down, and you pop it back in. Make sure they're left and right. Make sure they're placed up properly. I don't think they're polarity sensitive, but just in case, you can double check. All right, for the cabin, they're bright enough for the cabin, but the ugly yellow, let's change that. So basically you grab it from that side right there. Oop. Try the bigger side. I'm not sure if it goes on that side. Actually, yes it does. Let's try here. There we go. So there's a little lip right there, you can see. You can put it in there and just grab it down, and the whole piece should come off. Let me put you guys down for a second, make sure I don't make no clips. Okay, so basically you had to put your tool removal kit all around. Make sure you do from the front, then you go all around here, because it has like a little lip here, so that's what's being held on. And then just carefully remove the clear cover, and it'll reveal 3 little, what are they, like T10? This is gonna be a hard part because it's very hard to take out these. And then you just grab the new ones and pop them in there. Okay, so I found out the easier way is just take out the whole assembly. Since it's harder to take out these, you just take out the whole assembly, and the little pieces spin out basically. You see how this is in here? So you're able to put it in and take it out, and then you just install the bulb in here and put it back in. Well, guys, when you do this, be careful. I did broke this off by mistake, and yeah, now the lights don't turn on actually. So most likely I'll have to replace this whole piece here with a new one. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, something so simple like that, it happens. Stuff break if you're not gentle with it, you're not sure what you're doing. Sometimes these clips are different than any other car, they're not all the same, so you gotta play around and see what is what. Usually these are DIY videos to show you guys how to do it. Well, make sure when you do take it off, you don't pull it, cause it could break. Yeah, so most likely I'll have to order a whole new overhead light here, because they don't turn on at all, none of them. So it's okay, we'll find out how to get a new light, and we'll replace it. And yeah, well, that is for that. On the bright side, it's dark already. Look how bright the interior cargo lights look. I'm happy at least with that. Something came out right. And yeah, here you go. So as you see there, no issues. When you pull it out, you just twist it and there'll be more control. They'll be look like this, more or less. It'll look way better. So yeah, even the tag lights are super bright. That's crazy. They look great. All right, for the tag, you put the little thing on this side and you pull it out. Should be the same. Untwist it from there, and it should be the same T10 bulb, and there's two of them, so let's change that. All right guys, so I did end up getting a replacement piece. So basically this little piece right here, you see a little edge, that's the one I ripped off the old one. Yeah, so just in case anybody wants to know what the parts number for this whole assembly is, here it is. I got it directly from Ford. It was like about 45 bucks. The only thing is you gotta take out the bezel off the old one and you gotta put on the new one. They do sell that separately. So we're gonna put the LEDs the right way this time. Hopefully I don't break anything else, and it should work. So let's test it out. All right, once you hook it up, test it out before actually closing it. That works. Yep, they work. So now you're gonna put the bezel on and push it back in. All right, it's in. Even during the daytime, it's really bright. We'll test it at night and we'll see how it looks. All right, so it's dark. This is the light for the doors when the doors open. It's bright. So just one light, the center light. That's just the center light. It lights up everything. Mind you, it's dark outside. Now when you turn on the other light, oh, it's even brighter. And that's just two lights. Look at this one. Just so you get an idea. Dumb bright. All right guys, thank you once again for watching the videos. A lot of more footage coming in for this van. We have a lot of other projects that we're gonna show off here, but I want to thank you guys for all the support through all the platforms. Thank you once again, and on to the next one.